In today's channel update, I'm going to cover the two places you can get both information on and view the videos uploaded to the channel. Firstly, YouTube itself. The videos are grouped into playlists to allow you to easily find videos that are of interest to you and were uploaded before you subscribe to the channel. The thumbnail for these videos gives an indication on the type of content in the video itself. Introduction videos cover the basics of programming and concepts in PowerBasic and assume no knowledge of programming. These either have no code or just limited amounts of code to illustrate the topic. General computer topics videos cover computer topics beyond just PowerBasic. For example, third-party products and concepts associated with general programming. Library videos cover the creation and use of libraries within PowerBasic itself. As you will see from these thumbnails, they have either both the PowerBasic Windows compiler and console compiler logos if the topic is relevant to both, or just the type of compiler that the video covers. The snippet videos tend to be 20 minutes or less in duration. PowerBasic design videos cover full projects in more detail. Therefore, they can exceed more than 20 minutes each and may be constructed in several parts. Third-party add-ons videos cover the products, some free and some licensed, that can add to the functionality of PowerBasic applications and allow you, as a developer, to create better applications. In addition to the videos hosted on YouTube, there is a searchable index of these videos on the GSF software website. On entering the website, you are presented with a list of recently added videos. The first column in this list holds a thumbnail to indicate the type of video. For example, if it has both the PowerBasic console and Windows compiler logos, then the code covered in the video is applicable to both compilers. This index covers both of our YouTube channels, the PowerBasic for Beginners and the Custom PC Hardware channels. When you enter the website, you will first be taken to the Recently Added page. This will give you a view of all the videos that have been added in the last 30 days. The first column gives you an image to indicate the topic of the video. Is it a video for both the PowerBasic console and Windows compilers? Just for the Windows compiler? Or is it one for the hardware videos? This is followed by the subject and the date on which the video was published, a short description and a series of keywords. We've not changed the format of the page you're looking at the moment, but what we have done is to extend the keywords facility. If you click on the keyword, you will be taken to the page which has a list of all the videos that have that keyword. This has all the usual links, like the link to the YouTube video itself, the link to GitHub, the length of the video, a facility to allow you to download a zip file should one be available of all the source code, and an additional icon that lets you view the primary source of the software. This opens in a separate tab on your browser. At the top of the page, we have a number of tabbed headings to allow you to go to the specific videos for that subject. For example, third-party add-ons. The major change we've made is on the By Keyword tab. This now gives you a list of all the keywords themselves which you can search out from the page. And clicking on any of those links will take you to a page that lists all the videos that have that as a keyword. This makes it much easier to find videos which are similar or on the same topic as the one you have just been looking at. Hopefully you'll find these changes to the website useful in finding videos you may be interested in. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.